The awards for us is really about celebrating and recognising success and the wonderful projects that the BAIs do throughout the year. It's fantastic that all of our installers, who are typically located all around the country, are able to come together and join, meet up, kind of chat, swap stories, and really build those relationships further. For me, the key benefit is really all about the relationships, and I just think businesses personally work better when there's a really strong relationship there.
With Brett, you've got to be good. They're looking to your company, they're looking to you, and it becomes personal. You have a backup, you can actually speak directly to Brett, and they will sort something out. There's nobody else does that. I've not come across anyone who does anyway.
That key benefit is that you are an individual, you are supported, you always know that when you pick up the telephone you're always going to speak to the same people every time. We don't always get things right first time, however what we do make sure we do is try and resolve issues and problems that may arise quickly and efficiently, and try and get as much support to you as possible.
I think one of the benefits is having the support. There's the point scheme, which is really good. You know, there's rewards for doing the work that you do, you know, and I think sometimes even the acknowledgement of your work is a good thing, but to get points and to earn value off products that you use, which you can then later on use to buy merchandise or whatever, that in itself holds value. To be a part of something and get rewarded for it, you know, it's worth it.
Being an approved installer, it tears us apart from all the other landscapers and pavers out there who aren't approved, they're not accredited or checked. It's worth it all day long. My business has grown since we come onto the scheme. We win more jobs, we win better jobs now, a higher end of projects.
I think success for us is that every individual is treated individually, so all of the installers on our scheme aren't just a number, they all have one-to-one support and relationships with the Brett staff. The ultimate aim of the BAI scheme is really to create a community of like-minded professionals.
The scheme to me is really, really important because I believe that you can make a fantastic product, but it's only as good as the way in which the customer sees it laid in their garden. We don't lay anything in their garden, we don't lay anything on their drives. These guys out here are the voice of us with the consumer. And so it's so important that we recognise their great work. It's so important that they're rewarded in terms of the awards for the fantastic work in which they've done. And you can see the healthy competition, but the element of professionalism, that they're genuinely happy for each other when they win the awards.
Welcome to the 2021 Brett Approved Installers Awards. From a Brett point of view, we know how much value you add to our product and we really appreciate it.
Really pleased. I didn't expect it. I knew it was a nice job, but I didn't expect to win an award because, to be fair, there's so many people here that do such quality work. To win first place was brilliant.
We feel great. It's really positive and great for our business. We didn't think we were going to win anything, but the standard of work every year gets higher. Yeah. So we're just really pleased to get what we've got. That's really important because it helps obviously push our business, and it's a big incentive to keep on carrying on with the Brett products. It's a nice evening.
Competition's amazing, the standard's so high, so even to get anywhere near winning an award is pretty special for us. I can't take the credit for it, we take the credit for it as a team. Hopefully we might be in the mix for it again next year. I know, the guys will try really hard again. We've got some great projects lined up for next year, so hopefully we'll be here again and saying the same sort of thing.
And the winner of Newcomer of the Year is BAI Paving.
Well, to be honest with you, we're absolutely over the moon.
Ecstatic.
And this is what we do it for.
Exactly. We've only been installers since March of this year.
Yeah.
So it's amazing that he's won. I'm so proud of him.
We were just happy to be invited.
Yeah, just to be part of Brett's, So.
Yeah. I can advertise now that I'm a multi-award winning company and basically just sell the Brett products even more than I already have.
Exactly.
So it's just a win-win.
Yeah.
And I'm just happy to be part of it.
I know, so am I.
So thank you.
So next, we're going to present the National Installer of the Year, which is kindly sponsored by Aquacut. And the winner is Man-Made Drives.
No, we weren't expecting it. And I would just really like to dedicate it to my father, because he passed away this year.
There were so many brilliant jobs this year. we honestly didn't think we'd stood a chance.
Lovely to receive the recognition.